Bite mark entry. 2 tiny marks appear on the skin. Venom slips inside before the body can react. Venom absorption. The poison spreads through muscle tissue. Each second pulls it deeper inside. Local tissue damage. Healthy fibers begin to darken and tear. The venom starts destroying from within. The swelling formation. Pressure builds beneath the skin. Pain and swelling rise rapidly. Venom entering lymph system. Venom particles enter lymphatic channels. The spread accelerates silently. Bloodstream entry. The poison mixes with flowing blood. Every heartbeat carries it farther. Blood clotting failure. Blood loses its ability to seal wounds. Bleeding becomes impossible to control. Internal bleeding. Vessels weaken and begin to leak. Damage spreads unseen inside. A nerve signal damage. Electrical signals flicker and fail. Nerves lose control of the body. A muscle paralysis. Muscles stop responding to commands. Movement slowly fades away. The pain signal overload. Pain signals surge toward the brain. The nervous system overloads. Brain confusion. Brain activity becomes chaotic and dim. Awareness begins to slip. Breathing muscle weakness. Chest muscles weaken with each breath. Air becomes harder to pull in. Oxygen drop. Cells receive less oxygen than needed. Energy production collapses. Respiratory failure. Lungs struggle to function. Breathing begins to fail. A heart rhythm disturbance. Electrical signals in the heart misfire. The heartbeat loses its rhythm. Blood pressure collapse. Blood vessels suddenly widen. Shock takes control of circulation. A kidney filtration failure. Toxins overwhelm the kidneys. Waste builds up rapidly. Liver toxicity. Liver cells swell and darken. Detox systems begin to shut down. Immune system overreaction. Immune cells attack uncontrollably. Inflammation spreads everywhere. A severe allergic reaction. Airways tighten and swell. The body enters full shock. Organ oxygen starvation. Vital organs fade from lack of oxygen. Survival systems weaken together. Multiple organ failure. Heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys fail. The body loses coordination. Coma state. Brain activity drops to minimal signals. Consciousness disappears. Death risk overview. The body's internal glow fades away. Venom overwhelms every system.